Imagine landscapes carved not by water or wind, but by immense, slow-moving rivers of ice. These ancient forces have sculpted some of Earth's most breathtaking features, leaving behind undeniable signatures of their power. One of the most striking of these signatures is the U-shaped valley, a distinctive landform created primarily by the relentless erosional activity of glaciers. These valleys stand as monumental testaments to the incredible power of ice. Glaciers are massive bodies of ice that form on land and move slowly due to their immense weight and gravity. As a glacier flows down a pre-existing river valley, it does not just flow over the landscape. It actively reshapes it through two main processes. First is glacial quarrying, also known as plucking, where meltwater seeps into cracks in the bedrock, freezes, expands, and then pulls away chunks of rock as the glacier advances. Second, abrasion occurs as rocks and debris embedded within the base and sides of the glacier act like giant sandpaper, grinding away the valley floor and walls. Over thousands to hundreds of thousands of years, the sheer volume and weight of the ice, combined with these powerful erosional mechanisms, transform an initial V-shaped river valley into a much broader, deeper, and straighter trough with characteristically steep, almost vertical sides and a wide, flat floor. The ice effectively scours the valley, widening its base and steepening its walls. To identify a U-shaped valley, look for several key characteristics. They typically have a very broad, flat bottom and steep, often smooth, valley walls. Another strong indicator is the presence of truncated spurs, which are interlocking spurs of bedrock that have been cleanly cut off by the glacier's passage, creating triangular facets along the valley sides. Furthermore, you might find hanging valleys, smaller tributary valleys that enter the main U-shaped valley at a much higher elevation, forming waterfalls. Recognizing these features tells us that an area was once covered by a powerful glacier, significantly altering its original riverine landscape. Understanding these features is crucial for interpreting past climates and geological histories. For example, the recognition of U-shaped valleys in mountainous regions worldwide provided early and compelling evidence for extensive past ice ages. Geologists use the size and distribution of these valleys to reconstruct the maximum extent and thickness of ancient ice sheets, offering vital clues about Earth's climatic shifts. The processes of glacial plucking and abrasion are not just theoretical. They are visible in the polished rock surfaces and striations found in these valleys. So, when you observe a sweeping valley with a wide floor and dramatically steep sides, you are witnessing the profound and enduring legacy of a glacier. It is a striking reminder of how ice, moving with incredible patience and force, has fundamentally sculpted and continues to reveal the dynamic story of our planet's ever-changing surface.